Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you about a natural ingredient that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years, coconut oil. This oil is not only versatile in the kitchen but also has numerous benefits for our health and beauty. So get ready to discover why you should consider having coconut oil in your life. Let's get started. Nutritional properties. Coconut oil is rich in healthy fatty acids, especially lauric acid, which is known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These fatty acids can help improve heart health, boost metabolism, and strengthen the immune system. Skin benefits. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer, which means it can hydrate and soften the skin. You can use it as a body moisturizer, hand cream, or even as a makeup remover. Additionally, its antibacterial properties can be beneficial for treating acne and skin irritations. Hair care. If you're looking for a natural remedy for damaged hair, coconut oil can be your best ally. Its nutrients penetrate the hair, strengthening it and helping to prevent breakage. You can use it as a conditioner, hair mask, or even to combat dandruff. Versatile cooking oil. Coconut oil is ideal for cooking at high temperatures due to its high smoke point. You can use it for frying, baking, and even as a dressing for salads. Plus, it adds a delicious flavor to your dishes. Natural teeth whitening. Did you know that coconut oil can help you achieve a whiter smile? The oil pulling method involves rinsing your mouth with coconut oil for a few minutes. This can help remove bacteria and stains on the teeth, leaving them brighter. In summary, coconut oil is an incredibly versatile ingredient that can benefit both your health and beauty. From its nutritional properties to its benefits for the skin, hair, and cooking, this natural oil deserves a prominent place in your life. So don't hesitate to try it out and experiment with all the ways you can incorporate it into your daily routine. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content related to beauty tips and natural well-being. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.